to see that there is a commitment and a focus in this room between prosecutors and local and law enforcement, federal, state, and local, I think that's a great sign for going after what is a huge public safety issue. The Georgia gang investigators did a survey in 2018, and 157 out of Georgia's 159 counties reported gang activity. I think it's actually 159 counties. The point being, whether it's a neighborhood gang, a hybrid gang, a national or transnational gang, 60 to 90% of all violent crime is gang affiliated. We have to come together to protect Georgians.
And we're looking at the gun cases in the Columbus area to figure out what cases are best in the state and what cases are best in federal court. And one of the advantages we have in federal court is there's no parole in the federal system. So if people get a federal sentence, they're going to serve that entire sentence. And what we saw last week was an example of a case here in Columbus where somebody was a validated gang member. They were caught by the Columbus Police Department and Muscogee County Sheriff's Office with separate guns. They then worked with the FBI and our office, and we worked in consultation with the district attorney's office, and that person ended up getting sentenced to 5 years in federal prison last week.
State court first. Just your general garden variety, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon is a 1 to 10 offense. And then if the person on the state level has a serious violent felony, it's a 10 to 20 year offense. But in federal court, if they have the certain amount of predicate felonies, it could start out as a mandatory 15-year minimum. So sometimes it may be advantageous for us on the state level to then hand that case over.
We want to send a loud, resounding message that we're not going to tolerate gun violence in criminal enterprises in Muscogee County, just not Muscogee County, but anywhere in Georgia.